We will start with a situation in which the carelessness of the driver in the back suddenly ends this biker's ride. Luckily nothing serious happened. This biker was riding slightly too confidently in such difficult road conditions, which led to the fact that at one point he completely lost control over his bike.
Dude. Oh man, these things are screwed, bro. Make sure the older lady's okay. Dude.
Are you guys okay? You guys are okay? Okay.
Dude.
You in the car?
Hey, are you guys okay? You're okay?
Okay.
Dude, she doesn't, in the passenger seat's like freaking out. I just asked them, she said they're okay. You're okay though? That was, we saw it in a rear view mirror and heard it and we're just like, oh my gosh.
Yeah, I was watching you, on the bike.
Uh-huh.
I don't like to get real close. I like to be a little hurt.
My chest hurts a bit. Okay.
Need help out of the car?
We'll see in a second.
All right, man. You want me to, here, I'll take your stuff for you and everything here.
Is she okay?
Yeah, they're okay. Oh man, dude. That hurt. It happens, you know? I'm good. My hurts, but I'm good. Thank you. Thank you, thank you.
It's really difficult to understand the driver's behavior who after the entire incident completely ignored these bikers. The Harley rider, frustrated during his beating, decided that it would be a good idea to punish drivers like that.
Oh, a little slippery there.
Alright, so we're replacing his turn signals, and
What is a little fucker?
there are ants living inside this
Eggs and shit?
FG09.
God.
WD-40.
Ain't no way.
Thanks for watching till the end, I hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon in the next video. Ride safe.